In today's video, I'm setting a glam, cream and silver tablescape out here on the lanai. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, I'd like to say welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy the video.
So I picked up these ficus trees at Roses and they were $39.99. I didn't remove the tag as yet to give me just a little additional privacy when I'm sitting over here. And I love this green space. And I will tell you about my renovation plans and dreams at a later time when we get closer to putting that together. This is how the patio is looking right now. So let me grab my tripod, sit you down so I can set this table out here on the lanai.
But first, Big D and I have to do a little housekeeping. So she's starting with hosing down the grill and the outdoor grill patio so we can start barbecuing. And inside, I'm gonna be cleaning off the table and setting a beautiful table for outdoor entertainment. Before I get started, let me tell you a little bit about what I'm gonna be using on today's table. I have a silver sequin runner that I picked up on Temu last year. And on top of that, a gorgeous, honey, do you hear me? Gorgeous Z Gallery mirrored tea light holder that I got on clearance. For my florals, I have white roses in a Moroccan vase that was gifted to me. For my place settings, I'm coming in with some ivory placemats that I already had on hand. Silver leaf chargers and ivory plates with the silver edge and complementary ivory and silver bowls with a star design on them. For my napkins, I have ivory napkins and gray napkins, which I've layered and folded in a triangle and added a silver napkin ring. Gorgeous silver bling goblets that I picked up at Home Goods some time ago, and some mirrored coasters with the bling edge that I got from Dollar Tree. I complement my coffee table with the same coasters and glassware, and then I come in with a cloche of cuties and some water for refreshment. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite drink as I finish putting this beautiful tablescape together, and I'll meet you a little later on at the reveal. Happy Tablescape Tuesday, all. The weekly open collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance. That is myself and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be found in my description box below. Now enjoy the reveal. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it gives you inspiration to get out there and start enjoying your outdoor area. If you enjoyed it, do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up. And while you're at it, if you're not a member of the Amethyst Adventures family, it is quick and easy to join. Simply click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.